Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, addition up to 99 without regrouping. So without regrouping means without carryover. First topic, addition by counting forward. Addition by counting forward means that you have to count forward from a given number to get the answer. So come to the first example, 24 plus 2. So children, first of all you have to find out the bigger number here. यहाँ पे bigger number कौन सा है? 24. So you will write 24. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब है आपने काउंटिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी है? 24 से. ठीक है, द गिवन नंबर इज 24 एंड हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स वी हैव टू मूव अहेड? वी हैव टू मूव 2 स्टेप्स. ठीक है, 2 स्टेप्स हमने आगे चलना है 24 से. तो 2 स्टेप्स के लिए व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल मेक 2 सर्कल्स. दैट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. ठीक है, 24. अब हमने क्या करना है? वी हैव टू मूव अहेड, हमने आगे जाना है. तो 24 you have to count forward from the given number 24. That is what will come here? 25. Then 26. So the number which will come in the last circle will be the answer. So what will be the answer? 24 plus 2, it will give you answer 26. So this is the way to solve the sums by counting forward. So children, let's come to one more example, 35 plus 3. Now you have to find out the answer by which method? Counting forward. Now what will be our first step? Yes, we have to write the bigger number first. Which is the bigger number here? 35. So I will write 35 here. And how many steps we have to move ahead? Yes, we have to move 3 steps ahead from the given number. So we will make 3 circles for it. 1, 2 and 3. So we will count forward from the given number, that is 35. What will come here? 36, 37, 38. So what will be the answer? 35 plus 3, it will give you 38 as the answer. Now children, one more example, 91 plus 5. So which is a bigger number here? Yes, you all are right, that is 91. So I will write 91. So how many steps we have to move ahead? We have to move 5 steps. So how many circles? Yes, 5 circles we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will count from the number 95. So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So what will be our answer? Yes, 91 plus 5, it will give you 96 as the answer. So this is the way to solve the sums, that is addition by counting forward. So children, here we have our next topic, that is addition of 2-digit numbers, page number 94. Addition of 2 number digits means आपने अब 2 number digits को add करना है. We have already learned हाउ टू ऐड 1 डिजिट नंबर। वो हमने सीख लिया है कि 1 डिजिट नंबर को हम कैसे ऐड करते हैं, प्लस करते हैं। अब हमने क्या करना है, अब हमने 2 डिजिट नंबर को ऐड करना है। सो लुक एट हियर, 24 add 24 and 13. So children, here 24 as well as 13 both are 2 digit number. ठीक है, दोनों ही 2 digit number है। अब हमने इनको क्या करना है, ऐड करना है। So you have to learn 3 steps for it. ठीक है, whenever we have to do addition of the 2 digit numbers, we have to learn certain steps. तो हमारा स्टेप नंबर 1 क्या है, that we have to put numbers, these numbers in proper column. ठीक है, column means you have to arrange them in the place value chart. So children, look at here, I have arranged these 2 digit numbers in proper column. ठीक है, 24, I wrote 24 first, as you know that 24 is a bigger number, so always try your best to write bigger number on top. Then 13, ones column, tens column. So you can look that in number 24, 2 is coming in tens column, 4 is coming in ones column. For the number 13, 1 is coming in the tens column and 3 is coming in the ones column. So children, be careful, जब आप ये columns बनाओगे तो ones के column के नीचे ही दूसरा number आना चाहिए। ठीक है, अब जैसे टेंस का कॉलम है, टेंस के कॉलम में 2 और उसके नीचे बिल्कुल 1। ठीक है, यू हैव टू राइट इट वेरी प्रॉपरली इन प्रॉपर बॉक्सेस। So children, after arranging the numbers in the proper columns, our next step, that is step number 2, is first add the ones column. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या है कि हमने हमेशा ही वंस के कॉलम से ही स्टार्ट करना है। सो वंस कॉलम क्या है, यहाँ पे वंस के कॉलम में 4 and 3, तो हमने क्या करना है, 4 and 3 को ऐड करना है। अब आपने वंस के कॉलम को स्टार्ट करना है ऐड करना। ठीक है, तो मैंने इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए हाइड कर दिया। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट, यस, 4 in your mind and 3 on the fingers. So we will start from which number, 4, and we have to move how many steps, that is 3 steps. 4, yes, 5, 6 and 7. So what will come here, 7. So we are done with our ones column. So what is left? So now the tens column is left for addition. Now we will learn our step number 3. So children, after completing our ones column, our step number 3 is then add the tens column. हमने ones के column को add कर लिया, yes, we did it. 4 and 3, that is 7. Now what we have to do? In our last step we have to add tens column. अब हमने tens के column को add करना है। अब tens के column में क्या आ रहा है, 2 and 1. So we have to add a tens column. अब मैं इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए हाइड कर रही हूँ। ठीक है, अब हमारी tens के column की टर्न है। So 2 plus 1. So 2 in your mind and 1 on the finger. There's 2 and 3. So what will come here? 3. So in this way, we have finished our 3 steps for adding 2-digit numbers. So 24 plus 13. So answer is 37. So this is the way when we have to add 2-digit numbers. So children, come to one more example. You have to add by keeping those three steps in your mind. Add 42 and 53. Now what will be our first step? Our first step is to write the numbers in proper column. Yes, tens and ones. 42 plus 53. Right? So our step number two is we have to start our addition from the ones column. So we have to start from ones column. Right? Ones column, what is coming in the ones column? 2 and 3. So we have to add 2 plus 3. So 2 in your mind and 3 on the fingers. 2, yes, 3, 4, 5. So what will come here? 5. So we have done with our ones column. Which is the next column? Tens column. Okay, so what is coming in the tens column? Yes, in tens column 4 and 5. So you have to add 4 and 5. So 4 in your mind and 5 on the fingers. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will come here? 9. So what is our answer? 42 plus 53 is equal to 95. So children, let's come to our next topic, that is addition on the number line, page number 95. So before we start with addition on the number line, let us learn what is a number line. ठीक है, number line क्या होती है? A number line has arrows. A number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. So what is a number line? Number line has arrows on both ends and tick marks for each number value. So it is called a number line. So look at here, number line, it has been drawn from 0 to 20. It has the arrows on both the ends. Yes, we are having arrows on both the ends and tick marks for each number value and tick marks. These are the tick marks for each number value. For 0 we have the tick mark, for 1 also we have the tick mark, and so on. As we move towards right, जब हम right side की तरफ जाते हैं, the number gets larger. So you can see as we are moving towards the right, हम जैसे जैसे right की तरफ जा रहे हैं, हमारी value of number is keep on increasing. The number is getting larger. As we move towards left, और जब हम left की तरफ आएंगे, पीछे की तरफ आएंगे, the number gets smaller. तो value क्या होती जाएगी? Small होती जाएगी. So here the number is 20. As we are moving towards the left, the value is getting small. Okay? Now children, come to the example. Add 12 and 3 on the number line. ठीक है? Whenever we have to do addition on the number line, it means we have to move to the right. जब भी हमने add करना है number line पे, इसका मतलब हमने right side की तरफ जाना है. When we move towards the right, the value gets larger. So we have to add 12 plus 3. So we have to circle which number? 12. ठीक है, 12 से हमने स्टार्ट करना है और कितने स्टेप्स आगे तक जाना है? 3 steps means we have to move 3 jumps forward. 12, 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. So we landed on which number? We landed on 15. So you will write it here. How many steps you have taken? Yes, you have taken 3 jumps forward. And on which number we landed? We landed on 15. Thus, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Okay? So children, come to one more example, that is add 15 plus 4 on the number line. Now you have to add 15 and 4 on the number line. So children, we have to start from which number? We have to start from 15. Okay, and how many steps we have to move forward? We have to move 4 steps ahead from number 15. That is 4 jumps we have to take. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump and 4 jump. So we landed on which number? 19. Thus, we have taken 4 jumps forward. Hence, 15 plus 4 gives you answer 19. So here you can write 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So children, here we go with our book example, that is add 66 and 13 on the given number line. Now we have to add 66 and 13 on the given number line. So children, 66 and 13. We have to start from 66 number. Yes, and we have to take how many jumps forward? We have to take 13 jumps forward and we landed on number 79. ठीक है, 66 plus 13 and we have landed on which number? That is 79. Thus, we can say that 66 plus 13 is equal to 79.